Epicurean isn't a vendor-approved supplier of cutting boards, and for good reason. Their innovative paper composite material is engineered to meet the demanding needs of commercial food service operations. Commercial durability is at the heart of what Epicurean delivers. They are dishwasher safe, a convenience that saves your operation valuable time and labor costs. Hygiene and safety is paramount in food preparation, and Epicurean delivers on this front with its smooth and durable surface that is incredibly easy to clean. And naturally antimicrobial protection sets Epicurean apart from the competition.
Good morning, James Barrett. I'm the executive chef here at the Hyatt Regency Chesapeake Resort in Cambridge, Maryland. The puzzle boards that we use on the line, being able to get those to fit all of our stations perfectly. These are individual pieces. They lock together. They stay nice and tight. They make it easy for the line team to do what they need to do. Yeah, at the end of the night, they come down. They're in nice small sections. They run through the dish machine, come back and get set up for the next morning. These boards have the feel of a traditional wooden board. This motion, repetition over and over and over again can really wear into a board, where this, a year of use, you're still not going to see that wear. For our outdoor service, these are the Epicurean boards for the flatbreads that we do at our poolside. This is a durable, heat-resistant, can sit in the heat lamp with our flatbread on there that you do. These are durable enough that they're not going to damage your knife blade, but at the same time, they're not going to get the gouges or the cuts in them that we found with some of the traditional poly boards. Knowing that these are free from microplastics, it's big for us because we play a big role in what happens right here in our backyard. We won't be passing microplastics along to our consumers.